It's Mopar Keith, and I've been holding on to this barn find for quite a while, but this is the year we're gonna get it out. So let's see what we can see. Oh, clear back in there. Let's get the door open and take a closer look. All right, so back here is where one of the cars that I currently own was hiding for years and years. And as you can see, there's a lot of farm equipment in here now, but my Challenger was sitting right where this blade and everything is sitting. So on that shelf was the grill and finish panel to my 1971 Challenger RT. So this barn, I don't know, it's maybe 30 years old or so. I'm gonna call it a barn, but it's like a pole barn. But here's the car right here. All right, so this car hasn't been on the road since 1987. That's what it looks like. All right, looks like original paint. This car was kind of a local legend, and a lot of people have been after this car, but it's been hidden for years and years. And we're gonna get it out this summer. Boy, and it is mousy. All right. Oh my God, I just got hit with that smell. Whoa, she is mousy for sure. Holy cow. GTX. This is gonna be at the barn finds. Wow, that's strong. Oh my God. If there were such a thing as smell-o-vision. Wow. All right, I'm gonna add some serious cobwebs there. I'm gonna work on getting over there to get that hood open. All right, so when I was out here a couple years ago getting my Challenger, we checked on this car and we were looking for anything inside. So at the time I was missing the fender tag for my car. So we got into this one a little bit, just looking for anything. And I swear to God, every time I open this hood, I've known about this car for years, the mice just scatter. So we're just gonna kind of let them know that we're here, and who knows what's gonna happen here. This thing is nasty. Alright. I need a shower after this. Oh my God. Alright, well there it is. 440. And 96. Now, story is this motor possibly got hurt early in its life. I have no idea if it's the original engine. Oh boy. That thing most likely stuck. Now I'm gonna guess that the carburetor is in the trunk, and I can kind of tell the engine bay has been painted black. A lot of cars from the 80s, us Mopar guys, we wanted to be like the Chevy and Mustang guys, and we painted the engine bays black. I'm gonna guess that thing's full of mice though. Wow. If you could smell this car. Fender tag is in place. Power drum brake car? No. That's a disc brake car, so power disc brakes. This also has a Dana under it, so you can see a track pack car with the power steering cooler. Looks like it's got an Excel or maybe a MSD ignition on there. So let's get a shot of the front end here. All right, so we're gonna get this out. We're gonna get it to the barn finds. This car is completely disgusting on the inside. It just about knocked me over. And granted, this is the springtime, so it's not even hot yet. So we're gonna do a whole video with Ryan from Auto Archaeology. And Ryan knows about this car. He was here when we got my Challenger out. So we're gonna do a whole video of how we recover the car. Obviously some farm equipment has to be moved, and there'll be this whole production about getting it out of here. Let's see, probably can't see it. I know it has a Dana under there though. This is an automatic car, but it does have a Dana. So there probably is a build sheet, but it could also just be completely destroyed. So the mice in this thing are absolutely horrendous. So anyway, we're gonna do a long form video on this car. So please keep watching, and we'll see what happens this summer. And then of course, join us at the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals in November, where we're gonna display this thing. Thanks for watching.